Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Checking out the ElecKeys K30 cordless vacuum. Basically our installation setup guide. That's pretty cool. I think we need that for a vacuum, do we? Whoa, that is quite the extensive manual there. It's got illustrations, all that good stuff. Check out a nice little brush there, stiff bristles. Looks like easy, quick on and off. And I got that little tool for cleaning, got a razor blade and thing in case hairs get on the roller, just cape that off, and a little dust cleaner also. Okay, here's our foldable wand. What's that called? Wand or extension, things like that. Check that out. So if you need to go under something, clicks into place, just press this and fold it. Don't pull before you press it or else you won't be able to press it. Just press it and there you go. So nice. A little wand attachment or a flexible nozzle hose. Very nice, especially if you're holding it, using it to get into the crevices, cleaning your car. Here is the, put your foot there and that just goes back in place. So if you are leaning it back, so that locks in there pretty sturdily actually. These have like we have a roller release over here. Push it out that way. And you can pull your roller out and clean that. Super easy. Actually, that's kind of convenient. And then we have the rubber roller and then the fiber ones in there. So very cool. Here's our docking station. So unlike pretty much a lot of vacuums I've reviewed, that you have to screw them into the wall or something like that. I mean, this will just basically has the contact points here. You can just set this on here and charge it up. It has a place for your attachments to go on here. There we go, just like that. We got our little nozzle. So like I said, those can just go right on there. That's nice. We got a nice, easy, clean filter. Wow, that is light, guys, but check it out. That looks really cool. We got the dust release thing on this side. Oh, right there. The canister just pops out. Step 2, turn it, and there you go. And there is our filter access right here. And that goes, turn it, lock, simple. Even I figured it out. And here's our attachment there. This is very light, guys. Maybe a few pounds. And that's very intuitive. Like you just put your thumb on there and it pops off. Very well thought out. Like the colors, looks pretty cool. I would like green better, but that's okay. And the battery, very lightweight as well. 2200 milliamp hours. That just slides right on there. Power this thing on. How's our battery indicator? Not very loud. So on, off. With the push of a button there. We got for carpet. And then turbo. That's powerful. Not too loud, but it seems to have a lot of power. It's pretty impressive. You can charge this to full. We'll test it out on some stuff, see how well it does against the torture test against hair and cereal and stuff. Okay, this is simple as just hitting the power button, switch it to carpet, and we're ready to go. Here I have cat hair. So just kind of sucks it in right away. We have other stuff here. We have like debris, coffee grounds, dust, goldfish crackers, things like that. And there we go, made short work of that mess. And then for bare floors, you just have this. No problem. So easy to switch between carpet with the push of a button. If we're regular floor, hit the button, go right on the carpet. Very easy to transition. Hit this button here, and we can just go right under things if we need to, and then that straightens right back up. This little wand attachment makes it super easy. Look at all this dust on my dashboard. Just need to crank it up a little bit. Get all that dust off of there. Very easy to clean everything like that. A good job of just getting the dust off everywhere. I want to switch over, pick this stuff off my mat here. This makes it very simple. I can either take this off too if I want to. Doesn't have to have it on there. And then I can just suck up everything right off the mat there. As you can see, it's got plenty of power to be able to handle all the crevices, the cracks, everything like that. Just does an excellent job. Here we got my outdoor carpet as well. Pretty good job getting the majority of it off of there. Like some of this is like, you gotta like almost pull it out of there. It's kind of in there so good. Wow, look at that. I got pretty much everything out of my carpet. Pretty happy with that. Another nice feature is the green light. So you can see it lights up things on your floor and makes it very easy to see. Basically right there, some dust on the ground. As it gets closer, you can see each individual little thing. So this really illuminates the dust. It makes it easy to spot when you're vacuuming. Like, oh, there's some right there. And then you can just chase it down. So I really like that. It's a nice feature, this green light. It really illuminates the dust, makes it easy to see. So you can just go get it. Okay, and when we're all done, simple as if you just want to hold it like this. I mean, look at that. It is pretty full there, but it's very easy. We can either just detach the whole thing by, if you want to just twist it and carry that out, or we can just dump it right here by pressing this. All you got to do. Look at all that. That was a crazy amount of stuff in there. Very easy to dump out. If you need to clean the filters, that's super easy to do. This is so light. It's just very easy to handle. Super impressed with it. And then when we want to charge it, it's very simple. You don't have to like drill any holes in your wall or anything like that. It just sits right on there. And you can tell it starts charging up immediately. So that's very nice. Or if you don't want to do all this and you want to put this somewhere else, you can just charge up the battery. It has a little plug-in for it. You can charge it up on your counter or wherever you want to charge that up at. Okay, friends, well, final thoughts on this. I mean, this is very, very lightweight. And even though it's so lightweight, the power of it, the suction compares with pretty much any other vacuum I've used, whether it's a plug-in or other. So very impressive. I like that the green light on there, you can spot dust easily. The attachments, I mean, it's so easy to work with. This is not difficult to do. This thing it's just incredibly lightweight. That's very nice. I know my wife vacuums a lot, and one of her complaints about other things they're kind of heavy. They're not easy to work with. This is super flexible, easy to put on there. The attachments, they're very intuitive, easy to work with, not difficult to take on or off. And some like you have to fight with, like try to figure out like how to move them off or anything like that. This works great to dump the thing. You can just press a lever, or you can just turn this to unlock it and take that out. We can clean our filter right there, pull that out, and it comes with an extra one. So while you're maybe rinsing this one out and letting it air dry, you can just pop in the other one. The battery seems to last a long time. I like the 3 modes. Even on, I sucked up all that hair. We can see that there wasn't really a lot that got tangled up. We got like one little string here that got tangled on here, but other than that, it looks good. And you can pop this out if you want to clean that. Just everything about this, I like how it stands up on its own. The wheels are nice and smooth, rolls around nicely, doesn't make a lot of noise. It's fairly quiet too for as powerful it is. I mean, it's hard to get a silent vacuum cleaner. This one does an excellent job, guys. I'm just thoroughly impressed with it. If you're looking for an excellent vacuum that's lightweight, compact, easy to handle, clean your car with it, clean your blinds, clean your carpet, this does an excellent job. It can handle the small messes, it can handle the big messes. I'm just really impressed with this. The battery, obviously if you use it on the turbo mode, it's gonna drain a little quicker, but it seems to last if you're just doing regular vacuuming. I have about 1,500 square foot house-ish, and just on normal mode was able to vacuum the whole thing just fine and still a battery life left. I think that was on normal mode and not like turbo. I think if you did turbo, you might have 10 minutes of cleaning. So it just depends on like what mode you're on. But yeah, just a very nice vacuum. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. If you got any questions or comments, hit me up. I'll try to answer them. I'll link this in the description below as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.